Kung sa'yo man lang yun, di ka matabutan sing ko. Abutan pera ka ura.
Picture lang. Please. Ay, madadap. Mag-hi ka lang. Kasi, hindi rin na kami. So, my sister is here from the US or Mars. And she brought all of this for me. From H&M down to, what is your favorite brand now? This one, the pretty paper.
Altered State.
Altered State. She's still sleepy. And these are all for me. Because I'm
Spoiled.
why you
Bald.
I'm sleepy. Because I'm spoiled. And today is her birthday. But I have gifts. So, ito yung ating i-vlog. Today, I'm going to share. So, these are the hand-me-downs. We will start with the very pretty dresses and tops, which are hand-me-downs from the sister. Ito mga necessities. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 na Altered State kasi gustong-gusto niya yan for me. And we have one twinning here and I'm very excited kasi she wrapped this individually for me while I was sleeping. And we have an Old Navy, a Kate Spade. So this is actually used na. Hiningi ko na lang kasi di naman niya ginagamit. And then this is our brand new Kate Spade bag. So I'm going to have, of course, a very separate na Kate Spade review. And we also have an H&M. So ito, medyo nagdesisyon tayo dito if we really want this or the other one. So ito yung pinili ko. And we have here Maurice's. So I like this. Ito rin yung pinili nating lipi from the set and our go-to Carmex. At palagi po tayong may lint roller. So this is very useful, especially na nagtatahi tayo ngayon. So among the different food and chocolates na dala niya for us, family, and yung mga dilata, ito lang yung isasama natin kasama ng mga sabon. Kasi she chose this specifically for me. And we also have here this. So I'm going to discuss that in details. And we also have 1, 2, 3, 4 na Forever 21 and one Maurice. So we will start. I'm very excited. So I woke up early so that I will be able to finish this all. And yan. As you can see, kahit pause tayo, happy tayo sa voice. So, yeah. I am very excited not just to share this unboxing with you, the things that you brought for me, but also to finish this so that I can keep this away and enjoy yung fiesta, enjoy yung vacation here in our province. So, let's start. We will start with this. So, palagi siyang may mga hand-me-down sa akin, which I love. Mga dresses na sinuot na niya na kasi minsan may mga sakit tayo na pag sinuot na ayaw na natin ulit-ulitin. So, first is this one. This is a puff sleeve na floral. I love the print, especially the detail here. Sinuot ko na to, kaya ito yung unahan natin. So, we have 4 na sinuot na namin. So, I will just share it here sa picture na lang. So, here, alam na niya na gusto ko yung mga layered na ganito. I really want yung tagpi-tagpi na sinasabi namin. So girly kasi may mga ruffles siya sa dulo. Ruffles here. And then meron siyang connecting fabric dito. So love dresses. Especially long dresses. Oh, so girly. So feminine. This is the first. And this is the other one. Actually yung hinihingi ko nito, yung checkered na blue. So, sinuot ko na to nung binisita namin yung pinsan ko. So, may slits siya dyan. At I love the color. So, peach lang. At this is another hand-me-down, which is very pretty, still very pretty. At garterized siya sa likod. So, this is from Old Navy. And I love this. Meron pa tayong dalawang damit. So, yun yung tunining namin papunta dito, pa-away from the airport. At both of those red and white will be mine. So, it's this. Ganun siya. Ang ginagawa niya ay, ang dami niyang inuuwi ng mga damit. Both old or hand-me-downs. And also brand new na ipapamigay niya sa, of course, sa akin, cousins, friends, and relatives. So, we will continue with our unboxing here muna sa mga toiletries. Again, I will no longer include yung mga sabon. Yung sabon. We have Carmex. We want Carmex. Pero mas may nagustuhan ako sa Carmex. Ganito na shape kasi para siyang smooth lang yung paglagay as compared sa square. She brought a pack of Carmex. One for me and one for my mother. And aside from that, lipstick. Lippy. So, this is Super Stay Matte Ink. Ayoko, medyo mahina ako sa mga Super Stay. At madami siyang color na available. Ito yung pinili natin. Para orangey. I just realized na magka-color sila. And we also have our choice ni cologne. This is Pink Body Mist, Mango Nectar, Golden Honey, Juicy Pear, and Essential Oil. And this is Cool and Bright. Try natin. Mangga. Yung isang manggang-mangga talaga. So, this is our pabango. And last but not the least for the set we have 2 lint rollers. I also have a request na nuts. So, we have here pistachio, salt, and pepper pistachios. So, yan lang i-share natin sa food because, again, the majority naman ng food, biscuits, chocolates, and canned goods will be shared among the family. So, here. So, meron akong mga towels na hiningi. We have 2 whites, 2 green na towel. At, nandun, yung towel na white, regular white lang, ginagamit sa pag-cover ng mga chocolates niya kasi natutunaw kasi sobrang init. At meron din tayong 2 greens, iniwan ko na sa Manila kasi nga, dagdag pa sa bagahe. Babalik din naman kami doon. So, this is the green and we have 2 whites and this is the other towel. Wait. Here is the other towel. Look at that quality. Tas ang ganda pa ng color niya. As much as possible, sana white or brown lang ako. But, ngayon, that's fine. So, we want towels. Good quality na towels. So, regular size lang siya. Regular size lang siya na towel. And yan. Yung naiwan sa Manila, maganda din yung quality. Tas maganda din yung color. Parang pang beach. Yung mga binibigay sa hotel pag pupunta ka sa lounge chair sa labas. Madalang na lang tayo mag-medyas kasi madalang na lang ako mag-rubber shoes. So, good quality to kasi ganito yung kanyang ankle part. So, humingi lang tayo ng isang pair. Excited tayo dito. So, these are just plain na bimpo. Yan. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ang dami ng ganito ni Mami, kaya sa akin na to lahat. Yan. So, yan, bimpo. And we have different colors. We have the orange. We have the pink. We have the maroon. The blue. Wait lang. Pink ulit. Purple. And last, orange. So, yan. So, magagamit natin to pagbalik natin because I still use hand towels, face towels, every time na naliligo tayo sa face, aside dun sa scrub na ginagamit ko from the DIY. So, I love this. These are good quality and good colors. I love the colors. So this is from Shakir linen, 100% Turkish cotton. I love this. So we have towels, we have hand towels, and we also have yung micro. Ay, ito pa pala. Yan, bimpo pa. Regular white lang. Palagi siyang naglalagay ng mga ito in between ng mga dilata cushion para hindi magka-basag-basag habang nagta-travel. Kasi it will take, of course, months to transport the package. So yan, we have regular lang. Maganda yung quality nito kahit parang dirty white siya. Kinuha ko na kasi manipis na hand. 3 of this. And for the microfiber, kinuha ko lang yung magandang color, which is this one. Madami na akong microfiber doon, but papalitan na natin itong tatlong teal. Nagpapahanap ako sa kanya ng wedge kasi gusto ko talaga ng wedge for my dresses. And I'm looking for a certain color na mga plain white lang, or dirty white, or a very light brown, kasi hindi na available. So ito yung napili niya for me. Still neutral, pero darker lang yung shade nito. But I love this. So this is by Time and True. At meron siyang memory foam. Nakalagay dyan. Memory foam. So I like the style. I also like the color. Tapos specifically, kasi ang dami niyang sinend sa akin na picture dun sa shop. At pinapili na ako. At ito yung pinili ko kasi hindi siya kataasan. As much as possible, gusto ko yung parang smooth ang yung height dito. So I will be able to wear them. Kasi again, we're aging and we want comfortable shoes or footwear. So, ito po yung ating bagong wedge na shoes. Para siyang YSL style. Yan. So, summery. Yan. Meron pa dito ako isang shoes from one of those paper bags galing sa kanya. And I love the color. So girly, nakatweed pa. So, I'm excited. I'm very excited to wear this. Kasi nga, hindi siya kataasan and napaka-neutral lang ng color niya. Love, love, love. I am grateful kasi pag may mga gusto ako na damit, gusto ako na gamit, pinibili niya for me. I am excited, I am happy, I am grateful for my sister for spoiling me. Meron pa pala tayong hand-me-downs. Nakalimutan ko, nasa likod. We're excited kasi aside from those two, ito yung other hand-me-downs na sinet aside niya for me. Yung iba dyan, these two, kinuha ko na lang kasi gusto ko. So, yan. Tiding! So, we will discuss this one by one. Ibaba ko na. This is from Old Navy. Yan. So, very pretty. Mahilig siya sa ganitong color. Salmon. Stretch dito. At meron siyang mga eyelets. Yan. Yan. This is our first top from the sister. Yan. I also have another one. Ito, gusto ko to. Nakita ko to. White siya. This is from Forever 21. Hindi ko alam kung paano to isusuot. So, I'm going to... Basta, ribbon-ribbon siya. Kaya nagustuhan ko siya. Tapos, open siya sa front. So, tas white siya na ganyan. Kasi ang ganda nito, oh. Ang cute na parang square. So, another dress, another floral dress. This one from Old Navy din. At ang ganda nito, kasi though malaki siya, baggy siya, I love the print. At ang ganda din ng bagsak ng kanyang manggas. Tapos, layered din siya. Yan. Layered. At may bulsa. So, si H&M hindi masyado nagbubulsa. Pero si Old Navy, majority may bulsa. So, yan. Tapos, gusto ko kasi tagpi-tagpi na naman. Ayan. So, may dalawa siyang layer 1 here. Layer 1 at layer 2. So, yan yung gusto natin sa mga dresses na. Another hand-me-down na pretty kasi para siyang, ano yung tawag doon? Milkmaid. This gingham. Kaso, kailangan natin tanggalin yung finold niya dyan. So, gustong-gusto ko to kasi gingham siya. at para siyang milkmaid dress. Tapos again, another layered dress. So yun yung mga gusto natin, yung may mga 1, 2, 3 layers. Yan, so very pretty. Yan, pag may mga sinusuot siya na ayaw na niya, tapos gusto ko, sinasabi ko na lang, ini-screenshot ko, mine, mine, mine. So this is from Forever 21. Ta-da! Look at the print. Another one is this denim na dress. This is from JC, JG, JG. Tapos, garterized siya sa likod. Medyo lang masikip to, kaya kailangan na talaga natin mag-diet. But very pretty kasi meron siyang botones from top to bottom at meron siyang dalawang bulsa sa harapan. So, ganyan siya at ganyan sa likod. So, mahaba siya. So, I love the color na denim, soft denim, at dress siya. So, last 3 of my favorites na hand-me-downs, unahin natin to. Kasi ito yung isusuot ko sa fiesta. Ang ganda. I love the print. Nung una, akala ko, bago pa, like may tag pa siya. So, nasuot na daw niya to. So, this is from H&M. Medyo lang, iba yung tela niya. Yung tela niya, maganda din. Very soft, parang silky. So, this is what I will wear. I love this. Ang ganda nito. Garterized siya sa harapan. What I love about this is not really the design, but the print. So, this is also long dress. Next ay ito. Naghanap ako, I've shared this before. Palagi akong naghanap ng racerback. Kaso usually, maiiksi na parang labas yung tiyan. So, hindi naman bagay sa atin yun. So, this is from Old Navy. Actually, dalawa yung ganito niya na color. So, binigay niya yung brown sa akin. Yan. So, magti-twinning kami nito. This is one of our twinning dresses. Yan. Yan. So, this is racerback. Na mahaba din at since this is from Old Navy, meron tayong bulsa. Left and right. Last sa dress ay ito. I love the color. So this is from Forever 21. Ganyan lang siya. May zipper siya sa likod. May bulsa. Kasi nga, hindi siya H&M. At layered siya. That's why I love this. So, we have 1, 2, 3 na layers. I love this. Look at that. Oh, yan yung ating dress. I love this. At we will now move sa paper bags and plastics. We will start with this na Forever 21. Kasi this is footwear. Ihuli na natin yung mga bags and dresses. So, yan. So, this is from Forever 21. Among the different styles available and colors, ito yung pinili natin, neutral. This is our Forever 21 flats. Yan. Bagay na bagay ito pag pupunta lang tayo ng mall. So, this is our choice. Tapos, ina-eye ko pa yung pink doon.
This is the pink flats that I'm referring to from Forever 21. So this was also given to me by my sister. So I now have both the brown and this pink suede flats. So this is perfect for errands, like going to the mall. And I now have this too, the crisscross and the pink suede. Thank you, Sissy.
Now let's continue with this. I am excited. Ito yung bago niyang favorite na brand. So, meron tayong 4 na altered state. So, this is the first one. Unahin natin kasi footwear siya. And it's very girly. I love the paper bag. Look at the paper bag. So, pag mga ganito, hindi ko ginagamit yung paper bag. Love Arula. So, nakalagay dyan, inspired by beauty. Nakasave lang yun na paper bag. Ang dami ko ng paper bags. So, kanina, nilalagyan niya to ng mga ganito. Habang nakahiga pa ako, habang natutulog pa ako kasi maaga siyang nagising. So, gustong-gusto niya to for me. Nung nasa Manila kami, this is the picture. Pinapapasok na niya ako sa banyo. I didn't know why. Tapos, paglabas ko ng CR, kaya pala niya ako pinapapasok na para magbihis. Para ma-prepare niya na to. So, ito yung mga nasa loob ng maleta niya at prepare niya. So sweet of my sister. So, kanina, ang ginagawa din niya niyan, siniset na niya yung pang paper bags, nilalagay niya sa paper bags, inaayos na niya, tapos nilalagyan pa niya ng ganito. So, let me just share to you my very pretty, my very girly footwear by Altered State. So, ganyan siya, para siyang tweed yung style niya, tweed, tapos may mga pearls, tapos pink siya, so very pretty, very nice. I love the color, tapos tamang-tama, saktong-sakto sa atin yung size. I love this, I love the color. Very pretty, very girly. Ganyan siya. So pink. Very light pink and white, tweed. May pearls pa siya. So this will be perfect for, binigay niya to sa akin kasi this will be perfect for the dresses that she brought for me from the same brand. So I'm going to share it to you later. Let's move sa mga paper bags. Let's start with this. This is by Maurices. Maurices. Feel good fashion for real life. Yan. With tissue paper. So, we have that. At may extra pa siya na botones. Ganyan. Binili niya to sa akin kasi very pretty daw at labas yung tiyan natin dyan. Yan. Labas. So, this is blue on blue long dress. Gustong-gusto niya to sa akin. Kasi yung design. Mahilig siya nung may mga peekaboo style. Tas plus this. So, let's continue. Baba ko na to lahat. We will start with our first Forever 21. Naka-tissue pa. So, look. Kailangan nito high waist na pants for me. At tinatanggal na to. Ngayon sabi ko, wag mo nang tanggalin. Ako nang magtatanggal. Yan. Forever 21. Tapos, ang ganda ng color niya. Yellow. Tapos, stretchy pa siya sa likod. At may mga floral pa siya na parang embroidered. Diyan sa harapan. So, look at the details. Ang ganda-ganda ng top niya. Parang balloon na may yellow, tapos ribbon, i-ribbon mo siya dito sa harapan. At very nice. Love the yellow and white combination na design nito. Kasi napaka-subtle, napakaganda sa mata. I love this so much. So we have last two Forever 21. This is ito yata yun. Tama ba? Ito yung tama. Ito yung nakita niya from politician. I mean, binili niya na to, tapos nakita niya sa politician na ini-interview. Very pretty. Tapos low front lang siya. Low back. Wala siyang bulsa. Pero, layered siya dito. Layer. Yan. Layer. At another layer. At I love the print na very light pink lang siya na floral sa gray or dark gray na color with mini mga dahon. So, very pretty. We love dresses. And I'm wearing one now. So, gustong-gusto niya to. Tapos pag may nabibili siya sa akin, very excited siya to share. Kaya yung majority nito, alam ko na yung style. Kasi, pinapakita niya sa akin. Tapos may tali pa siya sa likod para hindi bumaba. Eto, binili niya to sa akin. Sabi ko, hindi kaya mainit yan para sa Pilipinas. Kasi, this is very thick. Pero nung finit ko siya, ang ganda niya. So, this is our last Forever 21 brand new dress. At denim siya all the way. Pero, binili niya sa akin to because she knows that I love, again, layer, 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 layer. So, tatlo yung layers natin. Wow! So, this is our denim. Tapos, ganito siya sa likod. Meron siyang parang opening dyan. Very happy, very pretty. Tapos naka-pearl ka lang nito. Or very simple lang na earrings. Tapos ang ganda niya. Mukha lang siyang mahinip. Pero nung finit ko siya, carry naman. So, thank you. We're down sa last 7 paper bags. And hinuhuli talaga natin yung ating mga favorites. So, we will start with the Old Navy. Kasi ito, na H&M, gustong ko yan. We will now continue with the Old Navy. Yan, Old Navy. At, naka-paper tissue pa rin. Tadaan! So, this one, I like the style. Kasi, flowing lang siya. Ayan. Tapos, nakatali lang siya sa likod. Pag i-fit ko to mamaya, hindi ko napaplansyahin. So, very simple lang siya. Tapos, may bulsa. Ang presko niya tingnan. Wala siyang layer, but very nice. Kasi may slit siya sa sides. Ganyan yung dulo niya. Yan, na parang pa-curve. At yung likod niya ay ganito. Na pwede mo siyang i-pull or i-ganyan at itali yung likod. So, this is very nice. Very pretty. This is our only old, ay hindi. May mga hand-me-down style na Old Navy. But for the brand new, this is our one and only, but very pretty, very new, very beige, very ribbon na Old Navy. Our next is very pretty, very summery, very Santorini na H&M. I love this. Thank you, sister, for spoiling me. I love this. And kung anong gusto ko, binibigyan niya. So, I'm lucky. So, dalawa po yung tissue natin. So, this is very pretty. Kagabi, lumuwa yung mata ko talaga because of the print. So, look at that. Slowly. Ay! So, this is very nice. Tabi muna natin yung mga tissue paper. Look at the print. I love the prints. Yan. Para siyang painting na lemon na may mga bulaklak at green. Garterized siya sa taas at very string lang. Very, I love dresses. Kasi napaka-girly niya. Parang lumalabas yung pagka-feminine mo. Kaya, I really prefer dresses over pants, shorts, or whatsoever. I like the color. I like the strap. At gustong-gusto ko yung haba niya. Parang midi skirt lang yung haba niya. One of my favorites dito sa pile. Kasi, parang ang gusto ko, matagal ko nang gusto yung ganito na may mga lemon square na mga dresses. At ang kagandahan niya, yung print niya, ganyan. Yung design niya, ganyan. So, iba-iba yung shades ng lemon niya. May dark, may yellow. So, I love this so much. And I'm very excited na isuot ko to sa one of my travels. Tapos yung likod niya, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda ng pagkatahi niya. Yung sa itaas. I love this. Tapos yung front niya, curve. Tapos ang ganda. I love this so much. And this is timeless na print. So, I'm excited. May nakasulat pa sa kanya. Let me try if I can read it. Dolce far niente. Niente. We love our colors. I'm happy. I am very happy with this and more. So we have 1, 2, 3 altered state na dresses. And gustong-gusto niya to, lalo na yung mga ganito. Especially, look at the paper bags. Very pretty. Very girly. Yan. Ganyan. And ganito yung tags niya sa unahan. So, we will now open our first altered state na dress. Tissue pa siya. And this is very pretty. Ito yung binili niya una for me. Pinakita niya na sa akin to. Kasama niya yung si Ate Bleed, her friend. And tada! So, this is the dress that she bought for me. Kasi gusto niya yung layered, hindi siya straight, but nakaslant yung layer natin. We have another layering. 1, 2, 3, 4. At tingnan mo yung print. Para siyang painting na pink na nag-fade na. So, ang ganda niya. Tapos, meron pa siyang, wala siyang pocket. Wala.
No pockets. They don't have pockets.
They don't have pockets. Tapos, gustong-gusto niya to. Look at that strap.
Parang embroidered or something.
Embroidery siya na butas. Again, pababa yung kanyang layering. Tapos, ito, yung mga magaganda niyang parts ay ito, yung nasa breast part niya. Para siyang milkmaid. Tapos sa likod, ganito siya. Stretchy. Tapos harapan, ganito siya. I'm excited. I am very excited to wear this. Next, ito muna. Yan. Pero nakalagay dyan, Merry Christmas. Kasi bumibili siya different times ng year para pag nag-package siya, madami na. So, very nice, very pretty. Ito yung isa namin sa mga twinning na gagamitin namin pagpunta namin ng city. Look at the paper bag. Ang ganda ng style. Effort kung effort. Minsan sa mga paper bag palang ang ganda. Diba? So girly. So, ito twinning namin. So, para siyang little girl yung style. That's why I love it. Pati yung print. Look. So, look at that style. So, may zipper siya sa likod at garterized. Tapos yung sa unahan, ganito. So pretty. Tapos white linen, white layer siya sa front. Yan. Look. Ang ganda. So, we have 1, 2, 3 layers. Tapos sa likod, ganito. At meron siyang pockets. Ay, very pretty. So, twinning kami nito. Ang cute niya. Hindi ako makaget over how cute this dress is. Kasi, ang simple lang niya, but the combination of the design. Look at the part nung sa front. Yung parang pa-curve. Parang pang baby girl. Tapos ang layers niya, plus the print na floral and combination na ribbon. So, this is my favorite na dress from Altered State. And, I love this. Let's open. So, naka-paper bag ulit or naka-tissue paper. Ay! So cute! Not just the print. Look at this. Yung print muna. This is the print nung una. Ribbon na blue, pink, and green. Ito naman combination of pink, light pink, or peach, and green over white. At what I love about this is not just the print, but also the design. Aside from layer, as you know, I love my layers. Look! Tapos ito yung mga nakikita ko sa parang mga handmade na mahirap to eh. May machine na ginagamit para iganon-ganon yung thread. Yan. Tapos meron siyang design. Sa likod, normal na stretch lang. Pero sa front, look. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko, yung parang mga craftsmanship. Tapos yung lace niya. Kasi mahirap siya eh. Tapos ganyan siya sa likod oh. Very detailed. And I love yung pink na ganito. Yung style niya. Look at the details. I so love this. At ang maganda pa sa kanya, ribbon siya. Oh, so girly. Look. So ito yung ating mga, meron pa siyang pocket. So look. And again, 1, 2, 3, at ito yung ating shoes. All from Altered Seed. At very girly. Bagay na bagay, especially here, this one. Na tweed, very cute tweed na pumps, na heel. I love these dresses and I'm happy. I'm excited to wear them and I'll show it to you guys. Ta-da! Last two ay yung Kate Spade bags and we will just have a very quick show and tell because I will just create a separate video, detailed video about these two. So we will start with this one. This is a hand-me-down na Kate Spade. And ito yung ginamit niya before. Last time na umuwi siya dito at nag-twinning kami. Yung sa akin ito is just very slim. I shared a video here. But this one is bigger when it comes to capacity. At ito yung ginamit niya while she was here. Tapos hindi na niya ginagamit sa US. Kaya hiningi ko na lang. Kasi ang dami naman niyang bags. So, this is the sling bag na black by Kate Spade. With strap. Nandiyan. So, yan. This is her old Kate Spade bag. Pero hindi niya masyado ginamit. Kaya hiningi ko na lang. That's it. Again, I will share a detailed video discussing this too. The other one is brand new. Ito yung pinapili niya sa akin. I love this. This is very pretty. And binilhan niya ako ng paper bag which costs $5.
Paper bag ko.
Dust bag. So this is the extra mile na ginawa ni Sisterhood. So yan. I love this. This is... Here is the bag, and binili niya to extra for me. So, this is like silk made, at ang ganda ng string niya, which is green. Look. Ay, very pretty. Alam ko ng style nito. Pinapili niya ako nito between two designs. Ito yung pinili ko, and the color. I love the color. Ta-da! It's so pretty. So pretty, 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 pretty. So pretty. This is so nice. I love this. So this is the second bag and this is my brand new Kate Spade bucket bag. So I love it. So cute, so girly. Ang dami kong nakikitang designs na ganito. Pero para siyang quilted. I will just share a separate video discussing this and this one. So please watch out for that video. Thank you, sister. Ay, nasa dito. Luwaya. So thank you so much for watching, Mama Boo. I'll see you next time.
I forgot to include this in the video. These were all also given to me by my sister from Old Navy. So this is an active shorts and 2 t-shirts. She actually brought several shorts and t-shirts, but these were the only ones that I picked personally. So I like this white one because it is very clean looking. It has pockets. Actually, the designs were all the same, but I like the color. And it has inner shorts as well and garterized top. She initially bought all of the shorts and t-shirts to be used at home while on vacation as pambahay. However, because of the combination of mosquitoes and humid air, she wasn't able to use any of this at all. She decided to just give them to me, but I just picked these 3 because number 1, I'm not really into active wear. Number 2, I don't really wear t-shirts as pambahay or panlakad, but I love the color combination of this one, the blue and white stripes, which reminds me of Sailor, and the V-neck gray one I used when we traveled back to Manila. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!